Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and right now we are on the standard photo mode. So we have to switch to the video. Let's tap on it, and since it is highlighted, since it is in, let's say, orangish color, and you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got some options, and as you can see at the very top of it, we've got the resolution. So we've got 4 different options to choose from. What's more, for some of them we will be able to change the frames per second. So right now we've got 720p option applied with 30 frames per second. Both of those options are highlighted, but we can, or actually 60 frames per second is not available in this one. So we can change it to 1080p, and here we've got the 60 frames per second also available. We can change it to the 4K or 8K. Let me tap on it. So of course it's really up to you which option you'd like to use, and as you can see, all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you would like to set, and then from this moment your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi 11T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.